Go to rolanddga.com, Support, Drivers and Software Updates. You can either enter the serial number of your product or choose by machine model. Click Print and Print Cut, then scroll down to find the VersaStudio BT-12. On this page, scroll down and find Driver and expand the category. Choose the correct driver. Save the file onto your desktop for easy retrieval. Once the download is complete, open the folder, locate the zip file, and extract all of the contents. Open the folder and locate the Setup app. Follow the prompts of the installation wizard. You have a choice of installing for network or USB connection. USB installation is the most common installation. Click on it and follow the prompts. This will guide you through the whole process. Not only will you be downloading the driver, but it will prompt you to install it as well. Once done, you will be prompted to set the BT-12 as your default printer. Follow the prompts, and the next important step is to set up the color density. This will ensure rich colors. Set the black setting to 9. Then change the cyan, magenta, and yellow settings to 7. Click OK when done. Click OK again to apply the settings. Click Finish to complete the printer driver installation. Click on Roland Design Software button next, and this will start the process to download and install Roland Design Software. Click Finish when done. Exit the screen and locate the Roland Design Software icon on your desktop and open it. You have successfully installed both the printer driver and Roland Design Software.